Good morning, YouTube. Woo! Y'all, I am so excited. So excited. Okay, my sister Kimberly, she has this, I think it's a baseball cap, but I know she has the sweatshirt. And it's by this company called Beautiful Disaster. It is a small business, so welcome to Small Business Saturday. This company, I forgot the owner's name. I'm hoping there's a card in here. It was started by this lady. Seriously, you guys, you know how bad I am with names. She started the company to let all women know that it's okay to be, what did she say? Perfectly unperfect, beautiful disaster, whatever. We are all beautiful no matter what. And I freaking love that. Freaking love that. So, she had a mystery box. Kimberly sent me the link for a mystery box because I wanted some of the clothing, because I think the message behind the clothing is amazing, because we are all beautiful no matter what. We are all perfectly unperfect. No, you know what I mean. We're going to see what we got, okay? There should be 10 things in here. 4 of them I know are clothing items. It was $99. It's like $132 after shipping and tax. But they're currently having a sale because they're moving from California to Florida, and then they're going to have a home office in Canada. So I do want a baseball cap, and I don't think I got a baseball cap in this mystery box. So the sale, I want to say, is 40% off. So I'm tempted to order a baseball cap. I don't know. Let's see what's in the bag, okay? Like I said, I do know that there's 4 clothing items and then the mystery bags. There's supposed to be 10 things altogether. So if you are, I gotta figure out how to say that, perfectly imperfect, beautiful disaster. There's a number of sayings that she has, and I stinking love them. I ordered the curvy 3X. They should fit just fine. So I'm super excited. I'm so excited. And of course, I'm going live here in a few minutes with Chipo Gray. So this is coming off because there's a tank top in here. Yeah, there's a tank top. All right. Oh, I don't want to show. Oh, you know what? I got that little thingy from TEMU. Hold on. Oh, I think it's already dried out. TEMU. Yep, you could still see my address. Well, there's that. Can I save the sticker? All right, anyways, it's right here. This is how big it is. They did show a box, which I was kind of hoping to get the box because that was a cool looking box, but it's okay. That's just extra money that they would have to spend. I get it. That's too much. Okay, let's see what we got. Now there are so many different. There's so many different kinds of like t-shirts, sweatshirts, leggings. I mean, tank tops. It's just okay. Let's go with. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Is this a postcard? Beautiful disaster. If it destroys you, it's not love. Oh. Peace, love, and happiness. Oh my gosh. And I do have to warn you, there's like skulls and stuff. Yeah. So there's that. Oh, there's some patches. There's some stickers. We might make our own hat. We might make our own hat. How do I open it? So this must be some of the mystery bag kind of things. I got this, this is it here. So here's a sticker. This is going to be made into a magnet. Y'all know that. And she does have a lot of pink stuff too. Yeah, that's what we just read. Oh, okay, it did come in a sticker. Ah, I'm going to make this into a magnet for Caitlin. I love that. And then this one is Beautiful Disaster with a smiley face. And then, oh, that is so cool. Beautiful. Okay, so this one is a patch. Peace, love, and happiness. Goes like that. So we can't put that on a hat because I don't think that would fit. This one, however, Beautiful Disaster. If it doesn't... Okay, wait. If it destroys you, it's not love. There's that. Well, this sounds like my past relationship. Anyway, so there's, so that must be, so one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. So was that 1, 2, 3? Oh, okay. So those are the mystery. 2 mystery patches. 2 mystery patches right there. Sticker 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, those were the mystery bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that was 5. So then the rest of it is clothing. Okay. This must be the sweater. Let's see, where is it? Oh my gosh, it's the smiley face. It's the smiley face. She's so cute. That's a nice thick sweater. I did look this up. The sweaters by them, is that a crop sweater? No. Oh, thank God. Oh, could you see me in a crop top? No, sir. No, ma'am. No. Okay, so this is what the front looks like, okay? This is so stinking cute. Okay, here's the back. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh my God. That is going to be so much fun to wear. And that is nice and big. Okay. I don't want to put that on the floor. Okay, what's next? This one is, like I said, this is a small business. I'm going to leave all their detail in the description. They currently are having a 40% moving sale. As far as I know, they still have the mystery boxes. $99, choose your size. She did say that there would be a 2-week delay because they're moving. So what's this one? Is this the tank top or the t-shirt? Oh, this is the tank top. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that's perfect. I love it. So that's the front. And the back says, if it destroys you, it's not love. there. I freaking love that. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. That fits perfectly. Yes. Yes, thank you. Whoop. Scooch back over here now. Okay, so this is black. This is gray. Is this? I don't know. Let's get you guys back down here. Okay. I love this. So the curvy 3 is perfect. I did look at the actual measurements because I didn't know what their curvy 3 would be. So that's going to be a great size sweater. So is the shirt with this one. Okay, so this is going to be, so the tank top and the shirt. Oh, I think, is that the back? Nope, that's the front. Yeah. And then that's the back. Oh, these are so stinking cute. Okay, and then oh, these are the pants. These are the sweatpants to go with the sweater. I wonder if these will fit. Those are thick. It has beautiful disaster down the leg. And then the skeleton. Oh my gosh, I gotta go try these on. It's got a cinch. This is like super thick. Okay, let's go try it on. Okay, we're back. That took a lot. I'm sweating. They all fit. Everything fits. So, curvy 3X. That's awesome. Anything smaller, or anything... The pants fit, but I got a big booty, but I'm working on it. So, but everything fits. It's perfect. I freaking love it. I love the saying. I love the whole line. I love the skulls, the barbed wire, the fact that it says beautiful disaster, because we all know I'm a hot fucking mess. Hot mess. Hot Mess Express. They have all kinds of stuff in there, you guys. Go check out the website. It is a little expensive. That's why when I saw the $99 for 4 pieces of clothing, I was like, yes, ma'am, please and thank you. I might, because I'm not sure about, I might order the hat. I might. I'm just saying. I'll put the patch. I'll put the patches on something else. And then we have some stickers we'll make into magnets. So I might actually put this patch on the sweatshirt. I don't know, something. We'll figure something out to do with the patches. I might order the hat because I want one of the other sayings. The one that says imperfectly perfect. Perfectly Imperfect. That's what it was. Perfectly Imperfect. I want that one. I think that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Happy Small Business Saturday. Thank you to the owners for creating this line. Super excited to get some more of their items. And yeah, again, everything will be in the description. Please go check them out. They've been in a very small warehouse for a very long time. Before then, it was their garage. So, yeah. That's it, you guys. I'm super excited about everything I got, and you will be seeing it. Well, the tank top. You'll be seeing the tank top a lot. The sweatpants and the sweater, give me a couple months because it's too hot right now. But you'll be seeing them. All right, y'all. I got to go do a seafood bowl. So I will talk to y'all later. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.